Hey guys, this is your host Irfan Nasser, and today in this video I want to tell you that why you should not buy HP DeskJet printers. Now I have been using HP DeskJet printers for over 13 years now, and it is kind of a frustrating experience nowadays in order to use that thing. So basically what HP does is they basically sell the printers for cheap and then just sell the cartridges as expensive. So the printer that I am using for the past 3 years, before that I was using another version of this HP, which was a small printer, but this printer is basically 3-in-1, which has print, scan and copy option built in. So this printer uses two cartridges, which is one is the tricolor, the second one is all black color. But to be honest, this printer cartridges are expensive. So I live in Saudi Arabia, and here the currency is in Saudi riyals. So the prices range from 50 riyals to all the way to 60 to 65 riyals for a single cartridge. Now I have been searching a lot on the internet regarding the cartridge refilling. Previously, what I used to do, I used to get a new cartridge from the shop, from the official HP store, get it, use it, and then later on I used to refill it from a third party's refiller. Now initially it was working, but then for some reason HP released a firmware update to their printers which won't let the printer use the ink which has not been officially published from HP. This is a ridiculous thing that HP is doing, and I don't know why. I mean, when you are selling a product, it should be consistent, it should be working, and you should make the customers be with your product for as long as you want. But here in HP's case, I'm kind of frustrated. I got a cartridge, the black cartridge that I got, and it really prints, like it prints hardly 50 pages, to be honest, and it runs out quickly. And I have found out that now the cartridge, even though it looks this size, but it's actually like this. So this means that the actual ink is far lesser as compared to the original size of that cartridge. Now if you do not have the tricolor cartridge with you and you're just using the black, printer will give errors sometimes that this ink is low. Third thing is the annoying thing that I have faced by using this printer is that it is a Wi-Fi printer, obviously Wi-Fi DeskJet printer, and Wi-Fi direct is option is built in. So you have to connect your phone to your printer in order to print it. Now in order to skip that step, what I did was I linked this printer to the home Wi-Fi network so that I would print from anywhere in my home. But turns out whenever I try to print through my Microsoft Windows 11, it won't print. I don't know, for some reason it will stuck, it will just randomly run, and a lot of things are going on, and it's kind of frustrating that a printer which you have won't even print what you want it to print. Sometimes it works flawlessly, some other times it won't work at all. So the USB cable that has built in, I have to connect that thing in order to print pages through this printer. Another major disadvantage, or I can say frustrating thing, is that printer randomly prints that alignment page. So whenever you get a new printing cartridge from the store and you put it inside, it immediately recognizes that this is a new cartridge and it automatically starts printing the alignment page. Now this alignment page consumes a lot of ink because it has small color palettes all over the page, and you have to scan it on your scanner, the built-in scanner that it has. Now the thing is, whenever you buy a new cartridge, it automatically prints it. So I have the older versions. Why cannot I just scan the older thing for the alignment purpose? Why there's a need to print alignment page every time I buy a new ink and put it inside the printer? This I haven't I don't understand this thing from HP, that why they are making consumers spend a lot of money. Obviously it's all money game, but obviously you should give something back to the customers who are paying such amount of money. So this is what I wanted to share, and if you are looking for a printer, do not go with HP printers for sure. I mean, they are a scam. The other alternatives are Epson printer, and there are some printers from Canon and some other companies which are doing pretty well, and I think they allow third-party cartridges to be used on those printers. HP on my experience hasn't been as reliable as I thought it would be. And do not go insane that the prices are low, the printers are cheap. That is basically a trap that HP wants you as a customer to get into, and then they it will make you spend a lot of money for the cartridges, which is how it is. So that's what I wanted to share with you guys. So you have to look, whenever you are getting a new printer, you have to check all the specifications, check all the printing requirements, and then make a decision to buy a printer according to your requirements. If you are an office person, maybe LaserJets would be more reliable, because those are, I think so, black and white, and they have a toner. They print a lot of pages, maybe 400 pages they can print, so that's a different thing. In DeskJet side of things, like inkjet printers, I would recommend you to go with the Epson printers, nothing else. So that's pretty much it, and hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will see you soon. Peace out.